The overall goal of the following experiment is to use a fluorescence microplate assay to assess chemical effects on mast cell degranulation. In this protocol, the inhibitory effects of the antimicrobial agent Triclosan is demonstrated without the use of an organic solvent. This is achieved by first plating mast cells into a 96-well plate to allow them to attach overnight, and preparing Triclosan in an aqueous solution without the use of organic solvents via heating. The concentration of the Triclosan solution is then rapidly determined using ultraviolet visible spectroscopy. As a second step, cells are stimulated with IgE/antigen or a calcium ionophore in the presence or absence of Triclosan, which will cause the release of the mast cell degranulation marker β-hexosaminidase into the supernatant. The release of β-hexosaminidase into the cell supernatant is quantified using a β-hexosaminidase substrate, whose fluorescent product is quantified in a microplate reader in order to measure the effect of Triclosan or other test chemicals on mast cell degranulation. Results are obtained that show Triclosan inhibits antigen or calcium ionophore activated degranulation in rat basophilic leukemia mast cells based on a fluorescence-based microplate assay.
The main advantage of this technique over earlier methods is that it is an inexpensive, rapid, and highly sensitive alternative.